Alright, are we live? Maybe. Possibly. Hello? I can't even stream on Twitch. Exciting. Truly riveting. Truly riveting. Hello, gamers, nerds. I don't know how to play games anymore. I'm slowly getting to that point where I'm just like, gaming, kinda cringe. Yeah, I just can't stream on Twitch. And I'm not sure why. That might be why. Boy. That looks good. Alright. Sure, whatever. Okay. Is it actually working out? Like oh, nice. Okay, it actually is working. My gang. Oh, please just find it, please. Please. There we go. Okay. So I decided to say, hey, I should probably, and I realized my microphone really quiet. Oh, because it's. The fuck was that? Okay, sorry about that. I just didn't notice that my microphone was so quiet. Hi, hello. I actually want to learn C, so here I am, trying to learn C. Anyway, where were we? Oh yeah, right. Let me very quickly. Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. I'm a bit tired. Work has been, what is it called? Long. If I can remember how to spell dolphin. Give me 1 second while I actually remember to open up the... Why did it default to... That's not... Why did it default to... Only Office? No! There we go. Anyway, hi gang. Hello. So I'm actually going to try and learn C, and so here I am trying to learn C. We're doing the C... what was it, C program, the modern approach? I've been having a fun time with it. I'm like, already know how to program, so it's not like really that difficult, which is nice. At least, nice so far. No. What's going on? That was... Okay, that was weird. That was very weird. Alright, okay. So let's figure out where we were. Let me also just switch the. Oh my god! There we go. Anyway, let me just switch. Let me go here. Okay, this is my files. I don't really have anything here. So let's just go down to chapter 3, formatted input/output. The one thing I'm actually terrible at in C is. Oh, they're talking about like. The one thing I'm genuinely terrible at in C is like input-output file streams, not like no, file streams are like yeah, file streams. And I'm like hoping I actually learn how to do that. Sorry, I haven't used Twitch in forever, so I'm just looking at this account like, what the fuck is this? Alright. So let's just go through this very quickly. Scanf and printf, we all know what those do. If you don't know what those do, why are you watching this? At this chapter, scanf takes input, while printf takes printf simply formats the output or prints the output, or whatever string or variable you decide to throw in. As ever shows, powerful and tricky. Used properly. Section 2.1 describes. Okay. Printf function is designed to display contents of a string known as format string. Ah, yes, that's exactly why we have printf, print format. Ooh, exciting. The format string may contain both ordinary characters and conversion special characters. Beginning with the ampersand, it's kind of weird that they're talking about it now, because I swear we did this earlier. Whatever. For double, and I'm assuming there's... Oh no, yeah, D's for int. I forgot about that. That's just something I forgot about. Ordinary characters are... Oh my god. Ordinary characters in a format string are printed exactly as they appear in the string. Conversion special... Okay, yeah, that's true. Last time I checked, that's usually how format strings work. C compilers aren't required to check that the number of conversion specifications and format string matches the number of output items. The following call of printf has more conversion specifications than values printed. Oh, yeah, which is, I guess, fair. Obviously, you don't want to have more. What is it called? Oh my god, excuse me. Like, if you're gonna do this, you have to like put it twice. Excuse me. Printf will print the value of I correctly, then print the second meaningless integer value. I'll call too few conversion. Okay. This case printf. I've been programming for so long now. This like all seems so trivial, but like I should probably actually learn why printf just sucks. I'm sorry. I'm used to like Python, where if I plug in anything, it just prints out for me. Well, better than C++. I'm very familiar with C++. If you don't know what I'm talking about, God bless you. God bless you. The program will simply produce meaningless output. Consider the following int and float. Ah, okay, so they're just in the wrong order, and they're just since printf motto beta format string will dutifully display the float value followed by an integer value. Unfortunately, both are meaningless. Okay. Just want to see if there's anything like. Okay, there actually is something coming up. All right. So conversion specifications. Conversion specifications give the programmer a great deal of control over the experience of output. The output. On the other hand, they can be complicated and hard to read. In fact, describing conversion specifications in complete detail is too arduous. It's too arduous a task to tackle early in this book. Instead, we'll just take a brief look at some important capabilities. Thank God. In Chapter 2, we saw what I feel like a Texas Street streamer right now. I really do feel like that. But I know, like, if I know I don't like sit down and read through this, I'm just gonna end up being worse off. Because like with like how I learned like Python, for instance, I end up just what's the word? How did I describe it? When I learned Python, I just brute forced it, but that's an easy language to learn. Anyone can like learn Python if they really tried. C, you can try and brute force it. You technically can. Wouldn't recommend it my worst enemy. I don't know, dude. I just play RuneScape now. Sublet conversion specification include formatting information, particularly use percent if displayed flow one digit after a decimal point. More generally, conversion specification have their format of %.mpx or percent minus m.px, where m and p are integer constants and x is a letter. What? Why not just... Okay. Both m and p are optional. If p is omitted, the period separates the conversion specification. Percent 2f. M is... okay. And f is the x. Wow. I don't know, the formatting is kind of a bit warped here, so it looks a bit weird. M is 10, alright, P is 2, wow. The specification, along with period missing. Oh, so are both valid, technically? Oh, why would on earth would I ever want to do that? Why on earth would I ever want to do the M specification? Like, I'm actually trying to think, like, that's very fucking weird. The minimum field name with a field with M specifies the minimum number of characters to print. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Oh, for example, would display numbers 1, 2, 3 as. Oh my gosh, really? In this chapter, okay. Huh. Okay then, thus specification D would display the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No digits are lost. Putting a minus sign from them causes justification. Really? What the that? This is such a weird feature. Why would actually no. I'm actually thinking about it now. Even well, in my work. Even my job, I could actually see use for this. But all I do is code in Python. And we're on page 64 of 830. We got this, fellas. The minimum meaning of precision P isn't easily described, since it depends on the choice of X. Conversion specifier X indicates which conversion should be applied to the value before it's printed. The most common conversion specifiers for number are D, integer, yes, decimal. E displays floating point number in exponent. That's a thing? Scientific notation, really? P indicates how many digits should appear after the decimal point. If P is 0, the decimal point is not displayed. Okay, we all know what F is, fixed decimal point. G displays floating point number in either exponential format or fixed decimal format, depending on the size of the number. G? I've been accidentally using I. Really? Unlike F, G conversion won't show trailing zeros. Furthermore, the values printed has no digits after the decimal G. G doesn't display the decimal point. Okay. G specifier is especially used for displaying number 2 size. Can't be predicted when the program is written, or they tend to vary widely in size. When used to print moderately large or moderately small numbers, the G specifier uses a fixed decimal format. Huh. She was really interesting. I actually really didn't know that. I'm learning so much, I feel. There are many specifiers besides D, E, F, and G. I'll gradually introduce many of them in subsequent chapters. For the full list of for complete explanation on other capabilities conversions, consult section 2223. Fantastic. Using printf to format numbers. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, I just realized that it really just does justification. I didn't know it adds a space for the characters. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, so in this case, it only prints up to 10 numbers. Huh. Actually really is interesting. I really didn't know any of this. I think I have a fairly basic grasp of how printing to this screen works, which I do appreciate. Alright, escape sequences. Backspace? Oh, right, I actually do remember this. I actually had to create a terminal or shell in using C, and we actually had to take into account for backspace characters, and it's actually really interesting. What the hell's an alert bell? I'm not familiar with an alert bell. Does the alert bell literally just send out a ding or something? The end code that we often see in programming. Okay, yes, we know this. When they appear in printf format string, these escape sequences represent actions to perform upon printing. Print A causes an auto. I was right. Wow, what a guess. Just a fucking beep. finally, I found another dude learning C. Yes, hi, hello. I am learning C. I realize I was like meant to put music on for a little bit, but like I left it on when I was realizing. Yes, I'm actually learning C. Well, trying to do it properly. I went to college, graduated. I did use C. I actually helped me and my partner created a shell for one of our projects. But he did most of the heavy lifting because I was terrible at writing C, and he was a fucking god tier programmer. So good for him. Good for him. Now we're not classmates anymore. So now I have to what is it called? Learn by myself once again. But I feel like this chapter is a bit like redundant. I already know programming, so I'm just here like I have a job. So like I'm just here like this is great. Well, how was your C learning experience? Because once I get done with this or get far enough in this textbook, I plan on going and doing like some like mini projects. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. So printing B. Okay, that makes sense. Printing. Okay, yes, that I understand. But that's not. I'm more interested in how skin F operates. I'm more interested in how scanf operates because printing I feel like is very not generic. What's the word? Like printf, there's so much substance to it. It's not really much, but I guess here, okay. It literally just. This is allowed? What the fuck? Are you serious? Wait, this is allowed? Let me turn the music again a little lower. The fuck? Alright, let me. What? So you're able to do decimal, float, just like that. And that works? Huh. Actually, it's pretty cool. I didn't know that. I know, like, you shouldn't be using, like, scanf in, like, serious programs, but, like, this is interesting. Getting several traps for the unwary. Using scanf, the programmers must check that number of conversion specification matches number of input variables. Okay, yes, we do know that. Forgetting to put the and symbol in front of a variable will cause the scanf will have unpredictable and possibly disastrous results. Ooh. A program crash is common outcome, at the very least. Alright, that's actually good to know. Calling scanf is powerful, but unforgiving the way to read data. Most professionals C programs avoid scanf, instead reading all data in character form by converting into a numerical form later. Okay. Where did you get this info from? Oh, I mean this textbook? This is, so I got it from, what is it called? The Internet Archive. Most programming textbooks you can easily find online. Well, I obviously say you should, like, go out and, like, purchase some of these textbooks. They're all available. Like, I picked up, like, what is it called? The creator of C++ made, like, a beautiful fucking textbook, but unfortunately it's in C++. And so, like, issue with that. I'm not learning C++. But it was such a beautiful textbook, and it was all online. Like, I do appreciate that. I'm pretty sure there's, like, an HTML version, but, like, you literally have to literally have to pay for it, which is, again, fair. Internet Archive. Oh. Let me actually. I won't link it directly, but it probably won't. I can't. Let me rephrase. Yeah, I legitimately cannot link it directly, but you can search for it here. The Internet Archive. It's called archive.org. Highly, highly recommend. When it comes to learning, the Internet Archive has literally everything. Yeah, once I get, like, You know, once I get like a good, like easy, like setup going, I'm probably gonna get like physical textbooks. Hopefully, this is like after what is it called? Move to a new place. I'm gonna get like physical textbooks and like set up my streams to where like you literally see the textbook I'm reading instead of the digital one that just kind of sucks. So excuse me. We use scanf quite a bit, especially in the early chapters of this book, because it provides a simple way to read numbers. Beware, however, that many of our programs won't behave properly if the user enters unexpected input. Yes, we don't want that. It's cringe. Oh my god, I'm sorry about that. That was actually fucking vile. Scanf can actually do much more than that. Well, I think it literally was called C, the modern approach. C programming, the modern. Yeah, C programming, a modern approach, 2nd edition. It does, it's specifically made for C89, C99. So basically what I'm saying is your C programs after learning this should essentially work with every working C C library that's out now. Like printf, the section scanf controlled by format string. When it's called, scanf begins processing information starting at the left. For each conversion specification format string, scanf tries to locate an item in the appropriate type of input. Okay, yes, we do understand that. As searches in the beginning of a number, scanf ignores white space characters. Really? Okay, that's fair. Okay, I actually do appreciate that. And by all means, if you have any questions to like some basic stuff, whatever I may deem as basic, I can't say for sure if you find it basic. I'm more than happy to answer because I do this for a living, and it helps me. And believe it or not, it actually does help me. Scanf sees one continuous stream of characters. Oh, so if it's a new line? Oh no, that represents a new line. Okay, that was a 0. Okay, that actually does make sense. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm like drinking sparkling water right now, and it's like just fucking. Oh my gosh. Fuck. I'm sorry. I'm like, I gotta destroy Canada. You know, I'm giving up. I'm just fucking. They had it good for too long. Scanf peaks the final new line character when I'm actually reading it. This new line. Okay. What? This. When asked to read a floating point number, scanf looks for a plus or minus sign, optional. Series of digits, okay. Possibly followed by a decimal point, okay. And an exponent, that's optional, okay. I actually do like that. They're the following, admittedly. Okay, so they're all on the same line. I'm not sure how this would look, but J? What the fuck is J? What? Alright, the first non-blank input is 1. So, oh, because it breaks apart by the, okay. Since integers begin with the 1, scanf reads the next character, recognizing that. Okay. I actually didn't know that. It does that for you. Cool. Conversion specification D. Oh, the character J. Fuck, dude. Okay, never mind. I was like looking like, where the fuck is J? There we go. In this example, scanf was able to match every conversion specification format string. Since the new line character wasn't read, it will be left for the next call. Scanf. Okay, cool. It's a. I'm reading it like Sorry, what's that? Yeah. Ordinary character format string. The concept of pattern matching can be taken a step further by writing format strings. Okay, yes. I actually do like pattern matching, I use this a lot for work, which I'm actually like really, like I feel like people don't appreciate like regex or pattern matching that much because like it's just very fucking good. Oh, so scanf already like comes with pattern matching enabled? That's kind of crazy. Are you serious? Huh. I didn't know that. I really didn't know that. That's actually fucking cool as hell. Nice. Skips the first space while looking for integer, matches, okay. How the fuck do you confuse printf with scanf? Alright, well, I'm built different. I'm just slightly less retarded than the average programmer. Although printf format strings often ends with a null, new line character, putting a new line character at the end of a scanf format string is usually a bad idea. Huh, that's good to know. Adding fractions. What? Adds 2 fractions. Oh, I just noticed what I was saying. Yeah, okay. That actually is how you usually add fractions. Okay, yes. I don't like that it's constantly all on one line, because I understand, like, yeah, initializing is good, but, like, come on, guys, come on. Alright, so, yeah, that's, I don't want to say as simple as it gets, but, yeah, that's really just it. Yeah, that's simple. Yeah. This is actually something I'm interested in. A printf format string, there is no difference between the two. In scanf format string, however, the D can only match an integer written in decimal base 10 form, while I can be matched integer expressed in octal base 8. Okay. Decimal or a hexadecimal base 16. If an input number has a 0 prefix, 0560, I treat it as an octal number. Oh. I treat it as a hex number. Okay. Using I instead of D to read numbers can have surprising results. Okay, that's actually good to know. I should start using D again. If printf treats the being so what? Huh. If printf contains 2 consecutive percent characters in a formatted string, it prints out a single character. For example, huh? Okay. What? I want to skip to the questions now. All right, so let's just do some go through the basic exercises, see if we actually understood what we read. What output do the following calls of printf produce? Well, I'm not 5 years old, so I don't even know. It's gonna print out 4 spaces and the 86 after it, and then there's gonna print out all 4 of these numbers. So there'll only be 12. So it's gonna print out not all, but it's gonna print out 12 characters, 12 total spaces. I don't know how much space there's gonna be, but it's gonna be exponent of 5 at the end. So a decent amount. What's the actual one? I don't remember. I might just skip these exercises because I do understand what's doing. Right calls printf that displays a float variable x in the following format: exponential notation. Left justify the field of a to size. Exponential notation. Oh, it's asking us to do that? I'm not gonna do that. I'm simply not gonna do that, actually. Some exercises are important, but like stuff like this, I feel like are not really needed because in most cases, this is never really gonna be used, and worst case, I do need to use it. Google is right there. For each of the following pair scanf, okay. Suppose we call scanf as follows. And the user enters. Okay. What will be the values of I, X, and J after the call? Assume that I and J are each variables. Oh, I is an integer value. Oh, okay. This is actually like kind of important because I feel like even most modern programmers like now don't even know that like if you convert a fucking float into an integer, it's either just gonna break the program or it's just gonna depending on what you're coding in, either break the program or just convert it into graduate or demote. I don't know what the word. Let's just use graduate. Graduate because we lift each other up, kings. We're gonna graduate the float into an integer, but I'm not sure if it does that in that case. I mean, I can actually check right now. In all honesty. So let's just do. What is it? What should I name this file? Let me make two things. Projects. Oh yeah, this is for projects. And I'm just gonna write what question is this? Question for Q. Where the fuck is Q? I know how to program. I know how to type. I swear to God, guys. Q4.c. All right, there we go. Yes. There we go. Oh, we're in C. Whatever. I was like so confused. Okay. So what was it called? Include. What was it? The fuck is going on? Am I just stupid today? Oh my gosh. Include stdio.h int main void. Alright, so essentially what it's asking us is what happens when we print that. So let's just do very basic. Let me actually just, I think I can just copy. No, I cannot copy that. What I'm talking about. So scanf, and it's gonna be what was it? dd. We'll just do. So what was it? What am I forgetting now? DFD, and then we're just gonna do. Do I want? Actually, I'm not even gonna verify. So let's go, and then we're just gonna 10.355. So 10.3.5 and 6. I know magic numbers cringe, but we don't care about that. It's okay, guys. It's okay, gang. Now we're just gonna do return 0. There we go. And why is it wrong? Oh, it's actually giving me a warning. Only one way to find out what's gonna happen. So, LS, and then, let's see, do I remember, Clang, because I'm using Clang as well as P. Just want to make sure my warnings are correct. Clang. Oh, no. Ew. It's good call Q4 again. Q4. And then, Q4.c. Yeah, Q4.c. And let's go. I did just get warnings. I put scanf instead of printf. I'm a fraud. And then Q4. Let's see what happens. Huh, okay, that's actually interesting. The fuck happened? Wait, what? Sorry. Go, and then... Huh? Really? Wait, really? Oh, it actually is using scanf. I'm dumb. But I didn't know that. Really? It actually, the compiler catches that? Actually, I did not know that. Oh, wow, it actually kind of worked. I'm actually like, very surprised that actually kind of worked. There we go, scan F, and then let's just do int. Actually, wait, no. What do we do? Oh, actually, yeah. Int I X and J. Int I X and J. And I'm pretty sure it's I. It's a 1. I, X, and J. Yeah, I, X, and J. Okay. X is a float, my bad. You know, I'm like working in Vim, I'm like the slowest fucking typer alive. Float the bony roleplay. So then now let's actually build it. All right, so then there we go, Q4, and then now we need to type in the 10.3, 6, and 5. Huh, okay. Actually, you know, considering what we went through, it actually does make sense. And I guess just a quick explanation. I know I forgot to put a, what is it called, new line character, but it doesn't really matter. So since integers cannot have a decimal point, it just ignores everything after that. But since what is it called? The 0.3 is an actual float. It actually just converts that into the float, which I do appreciate. And it just registers 6 as a final integer. It doesn't even consider 5 because 5 is a cringe-ass nene baby. It will never live up to the capabilities and power of 6. Because we all know 6 is a very desirable number. It's been in several what is it called, memes. Why was 6 scared of yeah, for instance, let's go back to the beginning. Why was 6 scared of 9? 7, 8, 9. And of course, 69. It's pretty nice. And we obviously got we got guys. 6, 7. Start laughing. Thank you. That's so stupid. I'm sorry. That was actually so stupid. You can't unsee it now. I don't even know what it looked like. I had my screen over here, so it's like blocked. I don't even know the face I made. Anyway, how you doing today? Oh my god. Alright, so actually now, okay, so now I know that. That's actually very interesting. Okay. Show how to modify the add frac C program in to allow enter the fraction contain spaces. I'm not doing that. Honestly, I wasn't even looking. I got lucky that you missed the funniest bit in all of programming streams ever created. Unless you go to like a soldering stream, because then there's like a funny thing happening every 5 minutes. God, I'm jealous. Oh, okay, actually we're at the projects now. I actually do appreciate these more. Yo, what the fuck, matrices? Oh, 1 to 16. Okay, it's not that bad. Alright, I hope you're doing good. How long am I streaming for? Oh, stream 40 minutes. Alright, nice. Alright, I said I was gonna do one chapter, so however long all these projects take me to do, I'm gonna be ending the stream. Alright, so go here, projects, and let's get cooking. Alright, so P1, not C, beautiful, amazing. I'll be a minute then, probably. I don't know, I'm not like a complete moron, so maybe I'll get through these pretty quickly. How are you doing though? I'm tired. My work today was kind of stressful, and I'm gonna lie. Include. What the fuck happened? Include. Yeah, actually, honestly, same exact thing. My work has just been getting like a lot stressful now, because I make jokes about it, saying I had no time to be unimportant at my workplace, but now I'm just all important. The fuck is this? No, my Twitch chat, my first ever Twitch chat was a fucking bot. No, how do I do this? How the fuck do I do this? Fucking. Sorry, slash ban. Oh my god, why is Twitch stupid? Sorry about that. But yeah, work's just been getting to me. Yeah, plus political tension. Yeah, that's also fair. Yeah, I just try to avoid that. No, it's not buffering on Twitch. It's just like I had like a random like a piece of shit bot on my thing, and it just took me out of my complete flow. Into main void. I don't know. I used to like dual stream when I was like doing this much more consistently, but now I'm like, I realized it was like really small. But now that I what is it called? Don't really stream as much as I used to. Or at least play games as much as I used to. I kind of just put that in the back burner, so now I'm just doing shit like... The fuck? Alright, so what do you want me to do? Enter date... Okay, so yeah, it's pretty simple. Print F, and it's just very basic. And enter date, and then just the format. What was it? Was it like that? Yeah, DD, Y. And then what was it? What the fuck? The hell was that? There we go. Yeah, so this is my solace now. So this is where I can enjoy, just have fun, And instead of programming for work, I program in my free time. God, what have I become? Going out to parties kind of cringe. Why would I do that when I can just fucking when I just start programming on Twitch? Hell yeah, Twitch and YouTube, baby. Anyway, let's get back to it. Scan F. I can't wait until I graduate from using scanf to, like, you know, actually reading bytes as characters instead of what I'm doing now, which is cringe. So why am I blanking? So D and then D and D. And also, if I remember correctly, like, if I... 4... Yeah, okay, so 4... Yeah, 4, 2... 2 and 2. Because that's an actual thing you can do in SIA, which I didn't know. I actually do kind of appreciate when it comes to formatting. But we live in the modern age where we program in JavaScript, and so we just ruin everything. I really enjoy programming in my free time, even though the concept of prolonged text writing sounds boring. No, I absolutely love programming. Like, my job would be a fucking drag if I absolutely hated programming. Like, I recognize that, and I realized I forgot to do that. What am I gonna do? Oh, I need to actually instantiate the integers, which will be, let's just call it int. So then it's gonna be D. Sure, I don't know why. So MD and Y for month, day, year. 3 wow, okay. I'm like really gaseous for some reason. I don't know why. And I actually wonder how it'll look if I don't input the full numbers, but I'm pretty sure with it being a fixed width, it'll be fine. I press the... there we go. And then return 0. There we go, perfect. Okay, so let's just... and I didn't print it out. The reason I'm never going to use JS, even though today all companies rely on it, of course. Thankfully, I've been able to avoid it. It's like funny. I actually taught myself. It's very funny. I taught myself web development because I actually made a personal website and I vibe coded it because I fucking hate programming web development. And it looked like absolute garbage. And I said, no, I can do this better. And I actually did. And now I know how to use. Now I know the basics of like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it's like the funniest shit to me because I fucking hate all three of those languages. I'm glad I don't ever have to use... Excuse me, oh my gosh. I'm glad I never have to use, like, JavaScript. Actually, no, there was one case I had to, like, recreate, like, a PDF document into JavaScript, but that wasn't hard at all. I'm doing a print F, and then... What does the output want? Oh. What? Am I going? Oh my god, no, it was just printed out weirdly. Okay, what the I was like looking at this the entire time, like, what? Oh my gosh. Date. Alright, so then it's just gonna be, what is it called? Sorry. Fuck. Date, sorry, year, month, and then day, I think is what I wanted. And then, I'm gonna do, year, month, day, YMD. Used to do front end for 3 years. Oh my gosh, then I found it bland. Most writing Markdown, almost writing Markdown XML for back end more. Of course, it's subjective. I mean, like, but like everything's subjective. Like people like enjoy like grabbing cactuses with their hands and also web development. So like why do I have to do that? Why I can just enjoy like lollipops and like back end development? So like obviously everything's subjective, but at least it's not whereas format strings trip me up. Whereas formatted strings, is that what you just said? Whereas formatted. Is this all in like is this all in both Python and JavaScript? Oh, this really just is in Python. Okay. Oh, format pairing. Oh, yeah, I was like so confused with what you meant. What the fuck's happening? Sorry, my phone's been blowing up. I'm not sure why. Yeah, one of these days I'm just gonna throw my phone at the wall and just say, "Forget it. I'm done. I don't need to deal with any of this anymore." Oh yeah, I do remember you said you were using Go. Projects and then okay, clang dash o, and I'm just gonna call it a date. Yeah, so clang dash o date p1.c, and then all right. So then let's run date, gang. Let's run it. All right, so 12 10 2000 and 2010 12 10. Yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, amazing. Let's see if I actually break it now. All right, so then we're just gonna do 1 1 1. Yeah, what the fuck was I expecting here? That is exactly what they asked for. Fire, gang, fire. Thank God I learned how to print. Shit. 4 more years of this and I'll have a degree and nothing to show for it. Write a program that formats. Like, it's weird. That's exactly what they asked for and I don't know why. That's definitely not correct. Like, it wants me to put a 0. But, like, like, I mean, I don't really care, man. I don't care. There's probably a way to replace the spaces with, like, actual characters. They're probably written in here, but I'm fucking brain dead moron who didn't read. Who just skipped to the questions. No, I read, but I was skipping a lot. Probably. It did mention pattern matching. I mean, like, listen, it's not like the end of the world. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, it's still like, it's still working. Like, this is technically what it's asking for, but it just doesn't have the 0 in front of the, day. 0's in front of day. I mean, it doesn't fucking matter. Write a program the formats? Okay, that was an L for saying. That formats products information entered by a user in a session with the program should look like this. Enter a number, use price, enter purchase date, okay. Okay, it doesn't seem like too difficult, I mean, sure. Okay, yeah, let's do it. So I'm just gonna need that, P, oh, right, forgot I put 2, alright, there we go, yes. save my changes. Yes, please do. All right, so there we go. We have the date already. So now let's go back. I know we don't have to do this on separate lines, but fuck me, I'm not doing that. So enter item number. Item number, and then float. I can actually spell float for once. Oh my god! And this price, yeah, price. Okay, there we go. So now we're just gonna be doing essentially what we did earlier, but a slightly more interesting. I know, right? Truly riveting. All right. So instead of entering the date, what are we entering? Enter price, and then we're just gonna go here because we don't need these. This is cringe now. Oh, item number actually. Oh, whatever. I'll move it around. It's okay, guys. It's okay, gang. Scan F, and we're just gonna simply do so F float. There we go. Okay. So now it's a decimal place of 2. Beautiful, amazing, and phenomenal. Okay, so then now I'm just going to remove all these because we don't need it. And we're just going to do price. Why is that a warning? Oh. That's a warning. Why is that a warning? Am I going crazy? I swear I had that earlier in my Why am I being warned? I've been lied to. My own LSP calling me a bitch. What the fuck is this? All right, whatever. So then there we go, and now we're going to enter item number. Beautiful, amazing, and this is going to be item number. Thank God I have an LSP that spells for me. And item number is simply just going to be a D. I really don't know why that's an error, but it doesn't matter to me. There we go. Okay, thank God. I'm not gonna format it like that because I'm better than that. That's a lie. I'm not above that. I'm my ass is not above that. Let's see. And yeah, actually, I have. I actually did. That's what got me into. That's how I started using NeoVim. NVChan was phenomenal, but it was too much. LazyVim was the same way. They're both phenomenal, like Vim OSs, but like at some point, it just reminded me too much of VS Code, and VS Code really made me hate programming for a while. Obviously, if you use VS Code, literally no shame whatsoever. I like the idea of having something simple and easy to follow, and that's why I just like kept regressing back and back. Like I used to use a package manager, now I just use a built-in one, and I don't even use a proper LSP. I use the proper LSP server. I use the what is it called? The built-in LSP server for NeoVim now. And I use it manually because on stream it was too distracting, and I didn't want it constantly popping up every time. Like, ever since switching from VS Code to Vim, it's like, it's weird using VS Code. No, I absolutely hate VS Code. I use it occasionally for my work at the office because some things just require it, and something in the world. But like, some things just don't work correctly in VS Code, and I don't like that. And it's again a constant distraction everywhere I go. The worst thing had to be when my professor in college was talking about VS Code pets, because she had the extension installed, and I remember just sitting here like, Jesus Christ. I wasn't like I'm not like some I'm not someone who hates joy, but like it was just one of those moments where like, should I be here? Am I in the wrong class? It was like that. All right, I need to actually get back into the game. All right, what was I doing? Okay, yeah. So let's see here. We need to do yeah, it is. I'll just do to print F. I feel like that's why Electron's also like so much bigger than it used to be. Item tab. What was it? Let's do additional tab. Tab. Unit. Oh, actually, no, I'm not gonna do tabs. I will actually just insert the tabs myself, because I just realized how I was gonna look. I don't know why my workspace is so messy when configuration was. The VS Code is designed to give you everything at once, all the possible time, and it sucks. And again, like if you're using VS Code, there's nothing wrong with that, and I feel like I made that apparent. But like a big issue with just how many people just because like people look at me weird for using Vim. When I went to my office, my manager and what do we aiming to achieve this stream? Better use in C. I need to get more practice out of C. So I'm just slowly going through the what the fuck was it called? C programming, a modern approach, until I get comfortable enough where I can just start building my own shit. Because at some point I want to do like some like basic stuff, like with C, because I really want to learn system level programming language. And I feel like C is just the simplest one to start with before I do anything crazy like Zig or Rust. I know I don't have to learn C first, but that was my idea. Purchase. And then C all the way. I agree, buddy. I agree. I forgot the semicolon. And then I'm just gonna do. There we go. Okay. I know I'm using tabs, an absolute fucking sin. Bite me, anyone. Anyone. What a fucking slip up, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm never recovering from that. I'm never coming from that. Oh, what was I saying? Okay, so my biggest gripe about... Some people absolutely hate tabs. I don't mind. I don't really care about white space. And obviously if it's important for like some programs, like for instance, I know Make requires tabs. Tabs, right? Yeah, they use tabs. So I know like, what is it called? So item, and then we're just gonna do, yeah, what was it? So percent D, percent D, how is it formatted? Okay, like that. And then it was, what, $, how is it? $, and however many spaces, 1, 2, let's just say. And then the actual price, and which was a float, I think. Oh, it's a fucking... That's why I'm getting, what is it called? An error. Jesus Christ. Tabs are good, but readability, I'm Oh no, I'm just talking about how like dumb it is to like complain about like white space in particular. What province are you coming from? I came from an incredible background. I first started in C++, because that's what the college I went to gave me first. Then I went to Java, and Java was a fucking joke. I mean, a toddler can do that, but like, I'm gonna be honest, I never want to fucking touch Java again. I did a little bit of, excuse me. I did a little bit of C#, because I did a bit of game development. Nothing like crazy. Nothing like absolutely crazy, but there we go, and then purchase state. All right, that should be good. I think I'm gonna do two more here. Yeah, C++ is a fucking nightmare. I will say this much though: the textbook made by the creator of C++, Bjorn. I feel bad because like he's such a sweet old man. Like he's really just a sweet old man. That textbook he made for C++ is probably like fucking amazing. Right now I use Python and Bash exclusively at work. I know, like I'm gonna keep making this joke because I need you guys to understand that like this really just is how it is. I'm like a grown man playing with Barbie dolls. That's what using Python is like. Number, and then we're just gonna do price. All right, there we go. Nice. Okay, it's been written, and then let's do that. Okay, so then plain. Cling dash O and item price, sure, and we're just gonna, and it was what, P. I didn't even read it. I'm a fucking buffoon. P2. There we go. P2.c. There's a 3 or 2 hour video on why C++ is the worst possible language. And it's actually kind of funny because and someone actually made a mention in the comments saying that was the best way to learn C++. Item price. All right, so let's see. Item number. Let's do 69. Nice. Item price. I forgot the colon. I'm fucked. All right. 420. 69. I know, funny. Enter date. 12, 10, and wait. Oh, whatever. It doesn't even matter. Self-taught, so I'm pretty much been able to pick up my direction when I learn. I gotta say though, the add numbers Python library is something else. Python's ecosystem is just fucking stupid. I'm just gonna be completely honest. I didn't realize I wanted me to change the formatting for the dates. It doesn't really matter. So let's just say 2022. 22, baby. Let's do it. Fuck! Why is it like that? Wait, why is it like... I really don't understand. That was actually really weird. What the fuck? What the fuck are you talking about? What the hell are you talking about? Add numbers Python. Is it literally just called Ad Library? Wait. Alright, that was just the Internet Archive. Whoops. Is this really... Where's the GitHub? We need to find this right now. Oh, here it is. GitHub. Where is it? Where is it? Did he become a farmer? What is this? I need to see this. Where is the ad? Funny Python is something I get. Did he remove it? Did he remove it? Have I been lied to? Where's the homepage? Give me the homepage. God damn it. Library. I'm gonna find it. Oh, I believe you. We're literally looking at it right now as well. The good old simple Lexer parser as far as creating it's crazy to think about all the fucking things I've done. What is it called? Okay, I'm not finding it. Why is it doing this now? There we go. The crazy all things I've done in C, but like I needed so much help with it. My fucking partner for my programming class ended up helping me because I did learn and use C at my college, but my partner carried me the entire time, so I was like a fucking buffoon every time I used it. And we made a whole ass spell checker. I do agree with you to that end. I just feel like, not feel like, let me rephrase. This is just something I just want to do. Like, just going through the textbook is just something I really want to do. And you're probably right. It'd probably be better for me to do that, because, like, that's how I learned, like, that's how I learned Python. I should mention this. I learned Python self-taught in a week, because my friend asked me if I wanted to make, like, an automation, like, a content automation script. Use tabs. That's cringe. I don't want to do that. I'm doing that. What was the new? My God, my fucking. I've only ever done parsers with CLIs. I don't usually make. That's fair. Actually, wonder what if it looks good now. So let's do what was the number I gave it earlier? 420, 69. Yeah, 69 now. 6996 or 60, and then fuck, shit, it's wrong. Wait, what the fuck? What happened here? Oh shit. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, there we go. I actually know how to fucking type. Jesus Christ. I know it's asking me to accept 999. I don't care. I know how to do that. There we go. I just compiled it twice. 96. 10. 10. That's not even right. What the fuck? Wait, what? Am I being lied to? Am I... Whatever, it actually doesn't matter. Wait, I'm really thinking about it now? It doesn't matter. Books are identified by international standard book number, ISBN. Okay. ISBNs are assigned. Okay. And so now we have to do very basic. Enter ISBN. Okay. I might just skip. I might actually just skip this one. Not because I think it's hard, but I think it's just tedious. I already know what it wants me to do. So it's not like what is it called? I'm struggling over here, but fuck it. No, I was committed to finishing all the questions. So I might as well. There we go. P3.c. P4B go. Some string manipulation. Oh, really? I didn't even see that. What the fuck is wrong with me today? Oh my god. There we go. I think the what is it called? Actual. I'm slowly getting exhausted. Oh wow. Okay. Write a program and prompts users to enter a telephone number. Okay, that's just some basic stuff. I'm actually kind of interested in 5 because that is what is it called? Oh yeah, sorry. They changed it. Essentially, it was originally like this earlier, and I just didn't change it. I just simply didn't change it. Usually, I'd be like, you know, but this one seems fine though. 4 seems like pretty simple. Let's just do 3. So then we're just gonna do the very include the stdio.h. Wow. Include. Beautiful. All right, let's check it. So now we want to do enter an ISBN. All right, so then we just need to int prefix GID, and then what's this one? Let's call it code for the sake of it. Code item num, and then we have check. All right, beautiful. I actually know how to type that out. So print f. I don't feel like this is a waste of time, but like I already do understand a lot of this, and I don't know. Maybe I'm just what is it called? A baby. Expressions. Is this for arithmetic? I might actually just skip this chapter. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can comfortably do math. I might just skim through in my free time, because not because I don't want to show you guys, but because like this is like I just need to move on from now. Smurf cat, bro, not the Smurf cat. No. You know, cat, how you doing? There we go. So enter. What was it? Enter ISBN. ISBN. and F. And then, what is it? They're all D if I remember correctly. Is it all fixed width? I actually don't know if that's the case. Big Chungus, no, not that. Anything but Big Chungus. It probably, I'm not sure if it is, but I'm just gonna, what's it? Oh, it actually tells me. So either, okay. Country, okay. Publisher code identifies. Oh, okay, it's just tell me about the ISBN. Okay, never mind. So it's gonna be, was it D dash D dash D D, two more, okay. D and dash D, beautiful, amazing. Alright, so now prefix GID, the code, item number num, that's what I called it. Check. Bro, I don't know who like decided my workplace. Who at my workplace decided that I forgot to put the parenthesis. Sorry, yeah. For whatever reason, whenever dealing with like what is it called, like numbers, they would always just put instead of num NBR, and it pisses me off. It really does retard. It really pisses me off. I'm just ignoring you, Ostacat. You have ruined my life more than once, and I want you to get away from me. Can I just please very casually just copy that? And F, what am I doing? Oh wait, I'm actually not even sure if that'll work. Control V, Shift A. Oh, actually no, that won't work. That will not work actually, unless I. Actually, yeah, Control V, yeah, Shift A, and then Control V, and then I'm just gonna do V, and that didn't work. I've been lied to. God damn it. Say, it would be good practice to handle return type of scanf. Even if we throw away the result, we don't really care about. That's true, actually. No, you actually do make a good point. So I guess now a better question is, how would I go about it? Like, would I like literally like return the values, like, or return whatever value? I'm not sure how to, what is it called? Wow, so I should scap returns. Oh, yeah. Okay, that actually is really? Huh. Oh my god, I just I just noticed that was bad. Can I actually just turn this to the macro? It returns the number of input items. Really? Really? So like I can essentially just assign scanf to an int value and it'll actually just return. Really? I probably should just do the macro. I'll check it out in a second. I'm just what is it called? Scan your terminal, read the doc. It's true. What was I think I had like a what was it? Fuck. I don't remember my hockey for I usually had one that go through the reference. Was it Shift K? Oh wow. Yeah, wow, okay. Yeah, returns. Huh. This function is possible cancellation huh. Returns int. Okay. It really does do that. External int. Wow. I'll do like a quick check after what is it called? I finish this one. The %D. Yeah, Alstacat, you really are like that, by the way. Just want to throw it out there. Prefix, GID, code, the item score none. Check. That's saved. Okay, so then was it clang dash o ISBN, and then I'm just gonna do p3 p3.c, and I'm just gonna do ISBN. There we go. That was rude. ISBN. How was it formatted? So 420 0 720. Ooh, exciting. 69 67 -3. I forgot the new line. Fuck. Shit. Big Chunks 8-year-old me. You motherfucker, you act like you're 8 years old. Okay, so I'm tired of you. Alright, I fixed it, so I already but it, despite everything, yeah, it actually is working as intended, so good, nice. Alright, so then I want to check out what you were talking about, so I'm just gonna call it test.c. Yes. Okay, so then oh my god, stdio.h. What the fuck is a philosopher? I don't believe in you. They're not real. The only one I know is what was it? Was it Diogenes, who whenever proved wrong just for you to flex on you, showing that you are simply weak. me. Boy. Alright, so I just want to test this out. Scan. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. Oh my god. No. No, I really. No. No, don't look at my fucking username. Jesus Christ. So, int. Scanner equals scan. Is this even allowed? I don't even know. I'm just curious. So, let's just enter a number. Just one number. Scanf. Int I, sure, whatever. I want to see what happens. Either my computer breaks or everything's gonna be okay, and everything's gonna be all right. That's true. That's true. Results. There we go. Oh, I fucking spelled STDIO, bruh. I'm learning, gang. I'm learning. All right, so then now I just simply do. All right, so then print print f. Sorry, my bad. Print f, and then we're just gonna do results. No, actually, I'm just gonna do. Oh my god, excuse me. Excuse me. D, and then we're just gonna do a new line, and then results, and that's gonna be %D, and then I'm just gonna do very basic. What else? Just add a new line because I'm not a Neanderthal. I'm better than this. I, and then results. Oh yeah, okay. So nice, and then O, return 0 because we're above, not returning anything. So what do they call it? Task data. So playing. I'm just gonna call the output. Let's just call it scanf output test.c, and then I'm just gonna scanf output. Right, forgot. 10. Okay. J, X. I'm just gonna do PP. %J, and then we're just gonna do percent X. Okay. 10, 20, 30. I only printed out I, but yeah, okay, wow. Actually, is interesting. I really didn't know that. It only printed I, but I did give it 3 entries, and it asked for 3. So yeah. Oh, yeah, actually, I'm curious to see what happens. 10C, because it's a char. Would that just be read as an integer, or would you just give me a garbage output? Wow. That's actually slightly more interesting. It gave me. That's slightly more interesting. So 10, 20C. Wow, okay, so it actually just ignores the output. So I wonder. Okay, huh. That is actually good to know. Because I feel like well, I know scanf is kind of not really used often in like actual projects. This is still interesting to have, and in some cases might be useful. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not really planning on using scanf once I get a chance. This will allow me to do some basic. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like I can already see some like well, usefulness, and I do appreciate that. Wow, thanks for like teaching me that, genuinely. So run a program that prompts users to enter a telephone number from the form. Okay, yeah, whatever. Enter the phone number, and then you entered. I'm just gonna skip that one. I understand, because like it's like very basic. It just wants you to set it up like that, and then it just printed out like that. I get it. This one I'm more interested in. It wants me to input 16 numbers so I can do a 4x4 matrix. God, why? God, why? Can I skip this one, guys? Oh, and then I'm supposed to do the sums of... No, this is so annoying. No, I hate the fact I have to do it on a single line. Oh my god, alright. OP4 does magic square. Yeah, you heard of magic numbers. Get ready for fucking magic square, idiot. Include STD. Yo, that really got me. Fuck. STDIO. Int main void. Alright, so now we need to. Fucking hell. Alright. Int A, B, C, D. Perfect. E. Fuck. You know, for readability. I'm just gonna put on the rest of a new line. E. F. If you see E, F, G. I'm forgetting. H. I. J. K. And L. This is awful. This is actually awful. D. Oh my god. Okay. Fuck. So. Oh, just input numbers. Okay, that's just it. Scan F. I'm more interested in getting to pointers because my biggest issue with like C is that I have a really hard. There's a better way to integrate this. There definitely is, and I don't. One to 16 in any order. I mean, maybe, but we didn't even get to arrays. There probably is a weird way to do this, but I'm not sure because like well, we're in chapter 3. We'd even like touch upon like actual pointers. Maybe. So am I really just gonna? I'm still not even. Oh yeah, that's fair. Like I don't blame you for even that for that. Like, and I say it's like genuinely like, if I'm doing something wrong or I'm being a complete moron, call me out on it because I'm never gonna learn otherwise. There's that. I didn't count that. Let me undo. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. So now, yank, Shift E, and then 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Beautiful, amazing. Now you're probably wondering, why on earth would I do it like that? You can scan into an array one at a time. I can. I didn't even know that. I mean, I know you can do like a... I figured you could do it like in a loop. I figured that much. I didn't know you could actually just do that. Oh, and you can actually just straight up do that? Wow. That's actually funny. Go. And now I'm just going to P, and I'm just going to do what is it? V, Shift I, and I'm just going to do ampersand escape, and W. There we go, and then Q, and then there we go, and that's how. And that we did it, gang. We did it. We actually understood how. What is it called? Macros work. Beautiful, amazing. I'm happy. WVim. Alright, but now we're looking at this like, wait, no, there's a problem. We can't do this. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Oh, wait. Oh, that's actually a problem. I was like wondering why there's like an error. That actually is that is definitely an issue. Actually, just do percent. There's 12. It's a 4x4 matrix, guys. Receive LMNOP. MNOP. There we go. Beautiful. Amazing. Truly wonderful. Okay, I'm not. What was it? P, and there we go. And I will just simply oh, that's because I deleted it, right? Yank that, and I'm just gonna do P. Oh, P. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So then now I'm just gonna do NOH. Perfect. All right. Nice. Return 0 because I forgot to write that already. All right. So then now we're just gonna do print F. Wait, actually, what am I doing? E-ink that, and then I'm just gonna do P there. And you're probably wondering, oh my god, ABR, how are we supposed to read this? Oh no, oh no. Well, simple, guys. Just gonna add a space And then, and then new lines to make it more unreadable. I probably just could have turned that into macro, but it doesn't really matter. It's 4. Oops, 6. Sorry about that. I did it again, like a complete buffoon. New line, and then we're just going to do. Well, yeah, that actually is a problem. There we go. No reason macro. Yeah, probably not. That is not where I expected it to go. I'm not mad, I'm just confused. Sure, whatever. And then ink. I really put a, what is it called? Right there, and I'm just gonna do a very cool, beautiful, amazing. This thumbnail is fucking awful. I just looked at my OBS screen. It really does just look that bad, huh? Alright, and now we need the sums, I think it's what I wanted. Row sum. Okay, I don't want to do it like 1 to 16. I don't give a fuck, but alright, so then yeah, so row sum, so then row by row. Authentic streaming experience. Real. Like, we can't get any better than this, guys. Come on. Print F. And did I just finish the... Oh no, the song just stopped playing music. I'll just got row sums as well, and then... actually, it's gonna be D, and D. I love me some decimals, gang. Give me all the decimals. Oh wait, no, it's gonna be 4. I'm really thinking about what I did. Why it's kind of just like, yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. So I feel like the C reference might be useful for arrays in code refactoring if we would do like C. Yeah, probably right. I just want to make sure I know what you're talking about. C. CCP reference? No! Oh, there actually is like a C reference in this website. Actually is really nice. Huh. That's cool. Nice. I just looked it up. It doesn't... so then we're just gonna do P. That is there we go. Okay, so then now I'm just going to do sorry, that was weird. What do I do? Plus and J plus beautiful, amazing. Guys, I already feel like my brain is getting bigger. So Sometimes like when I say like awful shit in my videos, like I really laugh like kind of hard sometimes. This is atrocious. It really just gets worse. Like this is for people who don't know how to program, because this is supposed to make them like get comfortable with the keyboard. That's why I took a look at the next chapter and I realized I'm just not gonna do this again. Why did it go there? Why the fuck? Column sums. All right, there we go. E, I, and M. Beautiful. B. B, F. G. It's a J. J. H. It's an N. I really almost did it. I really almost did it to myself. C, G, K, and O. All right, D, H. Fuck. I just had a moment. DHLP. There we go. Okay. No. Redo. Was it Control R? No. Oh, I didn't go too far actually. It's okay. I was like scared for a second. HLP. There we go. P, and then let's see. Can I spell diagonal? Diagonal. There we go. I can spell. Don't fucking worry about it. Yeah, alright, buddy, relax. So A, F, the A, F, K, and P, or D, I should, D, G, L, no, L, J, Jesus Christ, and M. This is awful. My God, I never want to do this again. Alright, so, cling, and dash. Oh, please, fucking die. P4, 5? 5, I think it was 5. No, it was. That was 5. I just call it P4 or whatever. Alright, so then there we go. And now, please fucking die. And so, 16, 10, 12, 9, 3, 8, 10, 11, 20, that's 11, 13, 6, 4, 1, 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. I forgot the new fucking lines! Hey, but at least it worked. New line. I'm not typing that out again. I'm just going to write it and save. And I'm just going to pretend that this chapter doesn't exist anymore. Modify add for... I don't care about add frac. I actually wonder if we can even find that. No. Oh, here. I should have bookmarked it. Now I realize. Oh well. I've been streaming for 2 hours. I said I was gonna do it. Oh man, what have I done? All right, whatever. We're in it for the long haul. Let me also just rename this to 5, and then I'm just gonna do O, P6, no, C. There we go. Yes, P6, V. There we go. This is fine, gang. This is fine. This is how I format my code. Yes. That is wonderful formatting. Listen, dude. I've been to college. That's all I'm gonna say. Press minus for mistake. Why is this an error? Oh, wait. Ampersand and it's number 1. Oh, it's because it's L over here. Actually, wait. You know what? It doesn't even matter. I realize it just doesn't matter. I don't know why it's an error. Ah, okay, that actually might be the reason why it's an error. Don't worry, more good formatting's on the way. Just you wait. Beautiful, amazing. Literally can't get any better than this. What? Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, it actually, what? Excuse me? There we go. Alright, so now, what was the question asking me? So, let's go here. Alright. How about I try to enter both fractions at the same time, separated by a plus sign? Really? Consider peak readability. Yo, I've read things before, and let me tell you, I enjoyed it. Had a great time reading it. The two fractions. Enter the two fractions, yay! Actually, I will not be, I'll leave that one out because I don't need it. And then I'm just gonna do the x. E D. What? I pressed J. P and then. There we go. Okay, this should be exactly the same thing and nothing should have changed. There we go. I really I really spent in 2 hours in this chapter, by the way. When in doubt, just blame Microsoft. Fuck you, Microsoft. Here's a clang dot dash o. What is it called? Frack. Sorry. Frick frack. P6.c. And then we're just gonna do sorry. Frick frack. I turned into fractions. All right, so it's gonna be 10 divided by 30. Ooh, exciting. Plus 2 divided by 8. We did it, gang. We did it. We have saved Gotham City. We have saved the Gotham City. We did it, Patrick. We saved the city. Wait, no.
Like, you're not gonna believe it. It was Old Man Jenkins under that C program the entire time. Like Scoob. Like, man.
Oh my god. Did I just lower the volume? I can't tell. Oh no, the song just ended. Well, that's gonna be it. I spent way longer than I wanted to in this chapter, and I spent way longer streaming. I'm about to pass out. So, yeah, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna... you see that bed behind me? This fucking bed? I'm about to sleep in this bitch. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you all on the next one. Big ol' adios, penguins.